Let's make some bagel. 4 cups of flour, sifted. We're gonna pour half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we are going to warm up milk with butter or margarine, whatever you have, and warm it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. After that, we're gonna have to pour that warm milk and butter in the dry ingredients and mix it well for 10 minutes in a low setting. After 30 minutes, we're gonna have to cut it into 12 pieces to make a form of a bagel. And then when it's formed the bagel, we're gonna set it aside overnight in the fridge. And then when it's done, boil water and add with honey and baking soda for 9 seconds. And then we're going to preheat the oven for 425. Let us bake this bagel for 10 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, you have the sesame seed, everything bagel, and cinnamon bagel. Hope you like it. Enjoy! Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye!